Should we start the video?
Yeah, if you want.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a guest today. You know what that is? The battery whisperer.
Shut up.
Mr. Red. So, we got something I think interesting today. What are we going to do?
Go for a ride.
Go for a ride.
In the sun.
In the sun?
Why is London so hot?
I don't know.
Up north it's 16 degrees and windy. I'm not used to it being above 20.
It's got to be all the sports building we're doing in London. So the battery building going on. Okay, so Red got his new build with him today. And on that build, he's got some gear drives. Let me get Tsunami out of the way. Everyone's seen Tsunami so many times. Pull your board out. I know. 12S, what is it? 8P.
9p.
12S 9P. Show off.
Molly cell.
Molly cell. Compensating.
Yeah.
So today we thought, if we're already riding anyway, what we're gonna do is, a lot of people do ask me, because I've got the 3Dservisas eco drives on my Tsunami, and the finalities on the Bullet. Yeah, that's the way I call the new board. And Red got, what you got on yours, mate?
Should we start at the front or the back? Yeah,
we got the Moon drives. So people do ask a lot, how do they sound? What's the difference? So Ecos are the straight cut. The finality are the, what you call it?
And these are straight cut batch 4 moons. Finalities are helical.
Helical. Finality is helical, and the moons are straight as well.
Yeah, the straight cut batch 4, 44 tooth, 9 tooth pinions.
So probably best off taking Tsunami out, because it's going to be a comparison of sounds of straight teeth, isn't it?
I'm just blow the dust off.
Yeah, but that's from riding. You know, otherwise it's yeah, it's no point. Okay, so that would be it really, because you're now falling asleep. Now we are going for a ride, and we're going to test those gear drives out. Anyway, see you in a sec. To the right. Okay, so we are now on the running track, my favorite testing place with Red. And we're going to test out, well, we're actually going to swap the ladies. And he's going to take the Tsunami, and I'm going to mount the camera on his board. Record the sound, the sweet sound of gear drives. So go on. First impressions?
Yeah, it's nice.
Huh?
Yeah. Wouldn't let me have a go last time, would you?
Yeah, but you wanted to jump on it. It wasn't even ready yet.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
How does it sound compared to the moons?
It's quieter. It is a lot quieter.
And on a break, I think it sounds a bit different, no?
Yeah, it sounds a lot more on the different. They sound like a hurricane.
What we do is we're going to mount the camera here on the floor, and we're going to just ride past. So me on Tsunami, and then Rad back on his moons, so you can hear it. How does it sound on a drive-by? Drive-by. Yeah.
Yeah, man. More than welcome.
Get Northern Monkeys out for a ride. They go in the piss.
Charles Owen's supposed to be coming on tomorrow.
The camera angle is a bit wrong. Do one more lap. So what we do is, one more lap, you whiz by it, and then when you come on the second ride, do it so that you stop.
So it
Here.
lets off.
Here. So you stop by your bag, and now you can see your back in the background. Actually, that's a good idea. No, meaning the sound. Actually, that's a very good idea. So the sound unloaded.
There's not much in it, you know.
ABS. Okay, so, well, here it is. Yeah. These are the sounds of 2 gear drives, straight, moon, or the eco from 3Dservisas. Up to you to decide.
So when do we start arguing? My gear drives are better than yours.
Well, mine is bigger than yours.
Yeah.
Mine is longer.
AJ says Audrey's sucks.
No way! Audrey's only got good things to say about him.
No, I think they're both cool. In their own respect.
Well, I might gonna have to cut this out. Anyway, cheers, Red, for your time and your help. It's a lovely pub here on the right hand side. Don't fall off this time, that's why you splashed out.
This is where it was, wasn't it?
That's a lovely t-shirt you got there. What does that mean? Is that one of them really famous Facebook groups? Oh, it's fucking awesome, man! Go straight. Let's do a fist bump. Yeah! 20 mile an hour fist bump. Anyway, just a bit more about Rad's new board. There we go. The floor is yours, buddy.
Yes, it's a 12S 9P Molly Cell 21700 Flux, De Vega, Robogotchi. Oh, that shit's good.
That's good. Hopefully soon available for anyone else to buy. I'll be definitely the first one getting it.
Yeah, they're good, man. We've got the Moon drives again, 6374 Matex, and Flexi Light BMS.
Very
so
good.
It all connects with the De Vega, so you can see all your individual cell voltages and the FreeSkate app.
And the hangers and trucks?
Just standard MBS, Matrix,
Standard MBS.
metals.
And what's the enclosure all about? Enclosure, does it come with it?
Yeah, that comes with it. I'm not too keen on that. It's 5mm.
Mate, that is a lovely, lovely heatsink you got there, mate.
Yeah. It's got 2 Tramper Vesks on the back, Mark 5s.
Happy with those?
Yeah, good, good. So I wish they were a bit smaller, but they've got a smaller one now, haven't they?
Yeah, they're 60. That's
Yeah,
what I've got in my new boat.
This is 5mm, vacuum formed ABS plastic, so it's a bit, I don't know, it's ABS plastic, isn't it?
Okay.